the communication, it is technical. I think that's a really important one, and to have that toolbox think mindset, that you can pull upon, and also that human beings are storytellers. What story are you telling? It's very important that you have a coherent story, because the families will use that story, because they'll then tell the next circle of relatives and the next circle, and the story will pervade out from what the words you use. So what story you're telling. Over to Ben.
I think from an education point of view, it really is for me about that planning of the education, the recognition that particularly simulation is something that is incredibly powerful but potentially damaging. And I think if you're going to do communication-based simulation, you need to think very hard about how you run that, both in terms of the faculty you're using, how you brief. And I think within the simulation bit, the brief is, I think, the most important part to make the simulation safe and effective in terms of the way that it will work.